God is saying to you today, I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit into you. I know the pain you have been carrying. I have seen the nights you cried in silence. I have watched you fight battles that nobody else understands. But today, I want you to hear my voice clearly. I am giving you a new heart. The hurt from your past will not control your future anymore. The fear, the disappointment, the betrayal, and the sadness, I am removing them from your spirit. And I will put a new spirit into you. A spirit of peace instead of anxiety. A spirit of strength instead of weakness. A spirit of hope instead of despair. Do not be afraid of the changes happening in your life right now. I am preparing you for something greater than you can imagine. The doors that closed were not the end. The delays were not punishment. I was protecting you and shaping you for your purpose. Trust me, even when you cannot see the full picture. Your prayers have been heard. Your tears were never wasted. And your breakthrough is closer than you think. Today is the beginning of healing. Today is the beginning of restoration. Today is the beginning of a new you. So lift your head, my child. Because I am with you, I love you, and I will never leave you. Type Amen if you believe God is working in your life today.